I'm the new YouTuber, Everything Kai. I just made it today. As you can see, my name is Everything Kai. And yeah, and we had this thing called the Vital. I'm gonna get you reviewing this Nerf gun called the Retaliator. It has 12 bullets. And this Nerf gun is called the Switch Shot EX3. And as you can see, it's a pistol. And this is the Air Warriors gun, which doesn't have a name, but I call it the Champion because it says Champion. And this is the Outbreaker bow. The bow is out because I took it off. I'll show you the piece.
Action.
Here it is. But basically, when I was watching TV, I was taking it out, and then it broke. So I use it as a knife. Then I'll show you how it shoots. Oh my gosh. This is how the Retaliator shoots. As you can see, this jams a lot. I'm sorry. So this is how the Retaliator shoots. Now I'm testing out the Air Warriors Champion. Now we're gonna be testing out the Switch Shot EX3. Now we're gonna test out the Outbreaker bow without the bow. And please subscribe and comment down below which one of these Nerf guns do you think is the strongest. See you guys next time. Bye.